Cinnamon serves as a natural repellent and is an excellent solution for keeping pests at bay. When certain bugs inhale cinnamon, it can suffocate them and lead to death. Even if it's not lethal, the strong scent is often enough to drive bugs away. The effectiveness of cinnamon against pests is largely due to an aromatic compound called eugenol, which is also found in many insect repellents. Additionally, cinnamon is effective at deterring rodents, larger animals, and even reptiles. Let's get straight into the 10 best ways we can use this spice to get rid of pests. 1. Ants. You can use cinnamon to keep ants at bay by using it in powder form, as oil, or with cinnamon sticks. The easiest way is to take whatever cinnamon you have in your cupboard and place it where ants are entering your home. The strong scent of cinnamon disrupts the ants' trails, preventing them from continuing to enter through that path. Instead of simply sprinkling it, you can create a line of cinnamon that ants won't cross. If ants are in specific areas, use a cotton swab to apply a thin line of cinnamon. For a more potent option, consider using cinnamon oil instead of powder. Mix 20 to 25 drops of cinnamon oil with half a cup of water in a spray bottle, and add a small amount of vodka to help the mixture blend. Shake it thoroughly and spray it in areas where you've noticed ants. 2. Flies. Flies are annoying pests that often find their way into homes and can spread bacteria and disease through their body hairs, which can contaminate food and surfaces. Cinnamon is toxic to house flies, and research shows they dislike its scent. There are several ways to make a homemade cinnamon fly repellent. You can diffuse cinnamon essential oil, mix it with water in a spray bottle, sprinkle ground cinnamon on a low burner to release the fragrance, or light cinnamon incense candles. Another budget-friendly option is using cinnamon sticks. Simply place cinnamon sticks in mason jars around the house. The strong scent is a natural deterrent and even toxic to flies. Cinnamon sticks only need to be replaced once a month, and as a bonus, their aroma is pleasant and evokes the warmth of the holiday season. 3. Bees. Cinnamon is an effective natural bee repellent. Bees have a strong sense of smell, and the spicy, woody aroma of cinnamon is something they find unpleasant. As a result, cinnamon offers a natural and eco-friendly way to keep bees away from your property. To encourage the colony to move and to deter honeybees and ground bees from returning, sprinkle cinnamon around the hive and other areas where bees are active for about a week. 4. Fungus gnats. Fungus gnats are those pesky, tiny black flies that hover around your potted plants, and they can be incredibly difficult to eliminate. They thrive in moist environments and feed on fungus and other organic matter. In their larval stage, they can even damage plant roots, posing a serious threat to young or vulnerable plants. Chamomile and cinnamon are effective natural fungicides that target the gnat's primary food source, making the soil less hospitable for them. To use this method, brew a liter of strong chamomile tea, let it cool, and dilute it with 4 parts water. Use this mixture to water your plants as usual. Then, sprinkle cinnamon over the soil surface for an added fungicidal effect. Repeat this process for 3 weeks or until the gnats are gone. 5. Mice. Cinnamon's strong, spicy aroma makes it an excellent natural deterrent for mice, as they can't stand the smell. There are several ways to use cinnamon to keep mice away, depending on your preferences, the effort you're willing to put in, and the products you already have at home. One method is to place cinnamon sticks in drawers, closets, cabinets, under furniture, and other areas where mice might be present. Alternatively, you can soak cotton balls in cinnamon oil and place them at potential entry points, such as pantries, cupboards, closets, garages, and basements. Spraying a cinnamon oil solution around entry points like the bottom of garage doors or entry doors can also create an effective barrier. Many people use a diffuser with cinnamon oil in kitchens, pantries, or basements to keep the scent strong, which not only repels mice but also leaves a pleasant aroma. To maintain the effectiveness of the spray, reapply it every few weeks. When purchasing cinnamon oil, ensure it's pure and undiluted, as diluted versions won't be as effective. Cinnamon powder is another option. You can use it to fill sachets or sprinkle it in areas where mice might enter. Cinnamon sachets are particularly useful in basements and garages, or for protecting stored items like grills, mowers, tractors, and cars from mice trying to nest. You can make your own sachets or buy pre-filled ones. 6. Pigeons. Cinnamon has an intensely unpleasant odor for pigeons, as its chemical compounds act as natural irritants. The scent of cinnamon not only bothers pigeons but also causes significant discomfort in their sinuses, though it doesn't have any severe consequences for them. This makes cinnamon a safe and effective deterrent. To use it, break a cinnamon stick into smaller pieces and place them in areas frequented by pigeons. Alternatively, mix a few tablespoons of powdered cinnamon with water in a spray bottle. Shake it well until the cinnamon is dissolved, and spray the solution around pigeon-prone areas. 7. Cats. Some people may love stray cats, while others are concerned about the problems they can bring. Feral cats can introduce fleas, ticks, and other health risks to your property, harm your pets, and cause damage around your home. If left unaddressed, stray cats can attract more strays, breed, and quickly become a larger issue. Strong, spicy scents like pepper, curry, and cinnamon are known to repel cats. However, using cayenne pepper or other pepper flakes is not advisable, as it can potentially harm the cats. Cinnamon is a great alternative because it's non-toxic to them. You can sprinkle ground cinnamon around your plants, mix it with water and spray it around your garden, or soak cotton wool in cinnamon and place it in areas where cats tend to frequent. 8. Squirrels. Squirrels can easily turn a yard, lawn, or garden into a chaotic mess, making them a challenge to keep away. These pesky creatures might dig small holes to stash food like nuts, strip tree bark, or invade bird feeders and flower beds, turning your outdoor space into a nuisance. Fortunately, cinnamon can be an effective deterrent. While cinnamon's warm aroma is pleasant to people, squirrels find the scent off-putting. To use cinnamon as a repellent, simply sprinkle the powder around your property. Alternatively, you can create a mixture of cinnamon oil, cayenne extract or peppermint oil, and warm water to apply to key areas. Since rain can diminish the scent, it's advisable to reapply the cinnamon solution at least once a week or as needed for optimal results. 9. Snakes. Cinnamon oil serves as a natural repellent for keeping snakes at bay due to its flavonoid content, which gives cinnamon its distinctive flavor and scent, both of which are unpleasant to snakes. For enhanced effectiveness, you can combine cinnamon oil with clove oil in a spray bottle and apply it directly to areas where snakes are present. Be cautious, as snakes typically flee from the spray. Additionally, this mixture can be used in a diffuser indoors to act as a fumigant. 10. Deer. Deer are highly sensitive to the scent and taste of cinnamon. This is crucial because, if left unchecked, they can wreak havoc on your vegetable garden, nibble on fruit trees, damage ornamental plants, crush flowers, and break branches, potentially stunting the growth of young trees. To repel deer, mix 10 to 20 drops each of cinnamon, clove, and mint essential oils in a spray bottle with water, 1 cup of vinegar, a tablespoon of light cooking oil, and a teaspoon of dish soap. The oils will produce a strong odor, while the dish soap helps the scents adhere better to plant surfaces. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.